Hello and welcome to week 5. This is break week, so you shouldn't have much work to do other than catching up on as many assignments as you can. Appreciate all the work that you've been doing. The uh, week 5 content has to do with modern atomic theory, and there's two videos that have to do with what scientists today think atoms look like based on atomic molecular microscopes, and they can get a better idea of what atoms look like. Scientists know that atoms aren't in a perfect shell type alignment like we've been working on. There is one assignment that you'll work on this week, right up here. Okay, this video and then this this video and this assignment right here, assignment A1, H2 week 5 A1. That has to do with back to the Bohr diagrams. But the next two assignments have to do here and here, have to do with what scientists today think atoms really look like. They know they're not like a perfect order, but they do respect the fact that protons and neutrons are in the nucleus and electrons are somehow orbiting around that nucleus. This assignment is just a couple of short questions and then drawing a Bohr diagram. There's a couple of examples given, so pay attention to that. So you have to pick an element from the first two rows or periods going across. That's what they call the rows going across are periods. You pick any element you want and draw a Bohr diagram of it and submit that to me, including the electrons in the outermost or valence shell. That the outermost shell, I'm giving you a little bit of a clue there on one of the answers. So make sure you do that drawing and upload it to me. Then there's two videos, again, like I said, about modern atomic theory, and that should be enough to get us started. What I want you to really focus on if you're working this week is, and even the beginning of next week, is to get as many assignments done as you can, get them turned in, and I'll be in touch with all of you to make sure we're getting enough assignments, make sure we're passing the class. If you have any questions, you can always email me, contact information right down here. You can call or text this number, and then I get a voicemail. It doesn't ring right to me. I get a voicemail, and I can answer you there. So just a little early start for some of next week's activities here. Best thing to do would be focus on getting as many assignments turned in as possible. So have a great week, and we'll see you.